Hello viewers, I'm dietitian Sushma Jaiswal. I have nearly 33 years of working experience in WHO and United Nations Development Program and around the globe for 25 years. Right now I'm practicing in Bangalore at Swasthya Nutrition. This is about foods to increase milk supply or lactation. Various foods which improve the quality of milk and also milk supply in the new mothers. Water is the first ingredient. Everybody emphasizes on drinking more water to keep hydrating because water helps in making the consistency of the milk and also it's good for circulation in the body, so it supplies more nutrients for the milk production. Second is carrots. Chewing carrots, carrots are rich in vitamin A and they have milk boosting properties as well. Then garlic is through ages, centuries, it has been proved to have better milk supply, and the people who have who don't consume garlic like for smell or for other reasons, they can take garlic pills which don't have any smell. So they have to take whole grains like brown rice, whole legumes like chana, rajma, moong, matar, etc. The whole legumes with skin, so that they increase fiber in the diet, and they help in better digestion and also weight loss, plus providing more protein and more nutrients. If the foods are too much processed, they lose lots of nutrients. So lactating mother is advised to eat whole grains, so to have all the nutrients which are beneficial for milk production as well as for baby also. Omega is another thing that is essential during lactation, because omega is it's anti-inflammatory, and it is used in the process of milk formation and also is part of milk, because baby also needs essential fatty acids. We have to take like the non-vegetarian people, the people who consume non-veg food, they can take omega from fishes like salmon, mackerel and all these sardines. The vegetarian people can take omega from walnuts, flax seeds, and it's advisable to take supplements as well, because the omega which is available in food is not sufficient, and especially all the oils and fats are used to provide omega essential fatty acids. The omega is destroyed, omega 3 is destroyed in all the oils and fats because of high processes. Papaya is another good source of papaya has some, especially raw papaya, it has some factors which produce more milk. So papaya can be taken as raw salad or soup, or sauteed, or in any form, or cooked vegetable sort of thing. And all the nuts, especially walnuts, almonds and cashews, they are very rich in protein, and they provide the oils and fats in their virgin form. Variety of fruits, they provide lots of phytonutrients. There are about 187 phytonutrients. Like in a day, if the lactating mother eats lots of vegetables and fruits, variety, then she gets lots of phytonutrients and all essential nutrients which are available only from plants. Adding spinach, ginger, sesame seeds and fenugreek seeds also would be helpful in more production of milk. And she eats rich diet, so that she gets all the needed vitamins and minerals for the baby, as well as for production of milk.